Morning guys, so it's day 2 of my staycation and I've just got up, got ready, and I'm about to head out for a few shots. And yeah, we've got a bunch of things lined up today. We've got the Tupperware experience. I hope it's going to be fun, it's great, and let's go. Guys, so I just got done with taking a few shots here and there of the property, and now I'm actually going to check out the Chai Tupperware store that they have going on. So it's supposed to start at 4:30, so I should be on time. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so one of the great thing about this place is that they have 600,000 trees surrounding this place. That is massive. I mean, imagine 600,000 trees, which is actually great for the environment. So yeah, if you really want to come to a place and feel healthy and breathe in fresh air, this is the place to be. Guys, we've just reached Chai Tupperware store and this is what it looks like.
And with bhajia, I will go with this green chutney.
This is the green chutney, okay.
Yeah, green chutney. And this is the matti, this one.
Okay.
And this is the namak pare.
Okay.
Yes. And this is called tapri.
Right.
Tapri, it's called like Belize style, like it's theme of this hotel.
Okay. Okay.
This tapri we serve from 4:30 to 6 o'clock.
That's nice. So what kinds of tea do you have?
With this organic tea,
Okay.
masala tea.
Okay.
For the guests is complimentary for every time we used to serve for them.
Oh, that's nice. So Anukruti will do a live tasting session for us.
Okay.
She's so kind.
It's so crispy and nice.
Yeah.
So well
And
flavored.
warm as well.
It's good.
That's good. That's
Cheers
good.
to that.
I actually like tea and so does Anukruti. She loves tea. This is actually quite nice. When you come at the LaLiT Mangar, do not forget to check out this place called the Chai Tupperware store. So yeah, I just got distracted, but it's actually cool. So you can actually sit down and enjoy a cup of tea right over there. Hey guys, so this place actually has a gym as well. So yeah, if you're a fitness freak or anything, just hit the gym. Guys, so we just got done with dinner and we're back in our rooms, and we'll probably just have an early night today. It's actually been great. It's our last night rather, at the LaLiT Mangar hotel, and we're going back tomorrow. So but overall it's been really great. I really enjoyed staying here because it's really peaceful. You can actually spend some quality time with yourself, if not with anyone else, and yeah, maybe just have a great book or listen to great music. Yeah, overall I've just really had a great experience staying here, and I really can't wait to come back someday. morning, guys. So I just woke up, got ready, and we'll be checking out in a few hours today. And it was actually one of the most beautiful mornings, and I'll show you why. Yeah, that was so great. The morning here, when I woke up, it had just stopped raining and it was so great. Everything's so green and fresh. Yeah, I really wish it was like that when we had come in, because when we came it was super hot. So yeah, but anyway, it's been great living here. I'm quickly gonna go down and grab a bite to eat before I check out. So yeah, let's go. Yay guys, I just got done with breakfast and yeah, I'm just gonna take a short walk before I check out because it's so beautiful. It's just stopped raining and the weather is amazing. And yeah, it's been a great place to stay, you know, to just chill. You know, if you need a city break, just come to this place. And it's not very far from the airport. I mean, it's barely an hour's drive, you know, even. So yeah, I mean, it's great to stay. And yeah, I mean, the weather is so fantastic. I'm kind of disappointed that it wasn't like this when we had checked in. It's like this when we're checking out. So yeah, overall it's been great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.